Hi, welcome to LearnZilla. We have great news for job aspirants during this lockdown. Unacademy has announced the re-level tournament for job placement, which will give you a chance to work for India's best companies. You get an opportunity to apply for 500 jobs in 50 different companies, offering annual salary package up to 15 lakhs. In this video, we'll be informing you about the website and registration process, scheduler test and advanced rounds, job categories, detailed syllabus for each category, and most importantly, at the end of this video, we'll inform you how you can access the resources covering the syllabus like course materials, tests, mock test, which you can access anywhere, anytime. The best part of the whole exercise is that you can apply to multiple companies with your re-level score. Now let us get into the finer details of the job tournament or test process. Any degree holder with less than 3 years work experience can register and give the test. That includes freshers who are on schedule to complete the degree by July 2021. Aspirants can participate from anywhere in India. Since the test and advanced process will be conducted online, anyone with a laptop and internet connection can participate. Also, please note that the aim of this test organizers is to test your skills and it does not focus on your biodata or resume. What they're testing for are your problem solving skills, your emotional quotient or your emotional intelligence, communication skill, creativity, and your attention to details. Now let's discuss the complete job tournament test process. First, you have to log into the website. Details are given in the description and register on the website before 22nd of June 2021. Remember the date, 22nd of June 2021. The prelims challenge will start on 26th June and only 25% top participant will qualify for the next stage. Then comes the advanced challenge round when experienced interviewers test you for minimum cutoffs. Then you receive your all important re-level score with detailed reports about your strengths and weaknesses. You can take this score and apply for placements in your company of choice and get job offers. That is the complete details. Now we can discuss about the registration process. And now before we go to the registration process and see our dashboard, let's see a list of sample companies where you can get placed. According to website, these are the companies where you can get placed. So these are India's finest companies which hire on re-level scores. You get 500 plus job opportunities in 50 plus companies and you can earn up to 15 plus lakh per annum. You can apply to a variety of jobs like business development, 300 plus jobs, front-end development, 100 plus jobs, back-end development, 100 plus jobs. Now let's register and see our dashboard. For those of you who chose back-end development tournament, let's get the details. The tournament registration closed on 26 June 2021 and we will discuss in detail the eligibility registration, the prelims round which consists of aptitude challenge, can you code challenge, software architecture challenge, and then the advanced round which will include programming fundamentals challenge, team player challenge. We'll see what is the syllabus and the kinds of job you are offered. The eligibility criteria for back-end development tournament challenges: you should have under 3 years of experience or less than 3 years of work experience, or you're actively looking for a first job or next job, or you're still in college and will graduate by July 2021. So this tournament is open for freshers. The registration process is in two simple steps. First, you have to log into relevel.com, enter your full name, your phone number, and state of residence. Then you have to complete your registration by paying rupees 1999. Now let us understand the backend development tournament challenges and schedule. The tournament will consist of 5 challenges conducted between 26 June and 6 July. And these challenges are conducted in 2 rounds, prelims and advanced. The prelim round will be conducted between 26 June and 27 June, which includes aptitude challenge, can you code challenge, software architecture challenge. The advanced round will be conducted between 29 June and 4th of July, which will include programming fundamentals challenge, theme player challenge, and the results will be declared on 6th July. And you may get placed in a company or apply for company placements from 7th July onwards. Now let us get the markings and other details of prelims round challenge. It consists of aptitude challenge, which will be in multiple choice questions, duration 2.5 hours. In this assessment, you are expected to answer 150 questions in 2 sections, general aptitude and technical aptitude. The maximum marks for this challenge is 150. The breakdown of marks is as follows. General aptitude, maximum marks possible 60. For the correct answer, you get 1 mark. For the wrong answer, you get minus half marks. For technical aptitude, maximum possible marks 90. For correct answer, you get 1 mark. For wrong answer, minus half mark. Coming to Can You Code Challenge. This is a live coding session, duration of 90 minutes. In this assessment, you are expected to answer 3 coding questions that test the problem solving skills and algorithm thinking. Maximum marks for this challenge is 150. Next comes Software Architecture Challenge. The assignment duration is 7 hours. In this assignment, you are required to code and develop the backend of a web application. The maximum marks for this challenge is 200. Now we come to the final and advanced round. This consists of Programming Fundamentals Challenge. This will be a live interview, duration of 45 minutes. During this interview, you will be tested live with an accomplished backend engineer on your technical fundamentals. Maximum marks for challenge is 250. Then you have a team prayer challenge, again a live interview, duration 45 minutes. During this interview, a senior engineering leader will test your ability to build products and work well with product teams in an organization. The maximum marks for this challenge is 250. Now we come to the syllabus for backend development tournament. It starts with quantitative ability. The topics covered will be number system, decimals, fractions, simplification, HCF and LCM, ratio and proportion, percentages, time and distance, and much more. Then you have verbal ability and reading comprehension. The topics covered will be synonym, antonyms, grammar or English usage, fill in the blanks, meaning and usage match in terms of context of question, verbal reasoning, and for reading comprehension you will have summary questions and much more. You can get all this course material with videos, test and mock test on the Learnzilla app. If you wait till the end of the video, you will get details of the app. Then you have data interpretation and logical reasoning. The topics covered will be fundamentals of arithmetic like caselets and tables, bar graphs and column, graphs, Venn diagrams, combination of 2 or more types of linked to each other, number and letter series, calendars, cubes and clocks, binary logic, seating arrangement, and much more. Now we come to the computer science fundamentals. The topics covered will be loops, conditionals, functions, recursion, time and space complexity, searching and sorting, basic data structures, advanced data structures, object-oriented programming, computer networks, database management, operating systems, and much more. Then we come to most important backend development. The topics covered will be JavaScript, MongoDB, SQL, REST API, Express.js, Node.js, Django, system design. Now let's get to know the job offered if you clear the backend development tournament challenge. Again, you have close to 100 plus jobs offering CTC or annual salary up to 15 lakh per annum. And these are some of the sample companies where you can get placed. We have covered all the details of the re-level job placement tournament. Now let me explain you how you can prepare for the challenges. You can download the LearnZilla app from Google Play Store and you'll have the complete aptitude and programming logic syllabus covering topics like quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability of English, reading comprehension, data interpretation, psychometric test, programming logic or technical MCQ with videos, tests and mock tests. So I will leave you here with a short clip about the LearnZilla app explaining all its unique features.